If your business runs on Odoo, this is how you connect it to GoRoute and send compliant e-invoices without changing how you work. E-invoicing means your invoice travels as structured data over the Peppol network, straight into your customer's accounting system, and, where the law requires it, to the tax authority as well. In the next 5 minutes, we'll link an Odoo database to GoRoute, check your company's e-invoicing registration, and watch a posted invoice flow to the network automatically. Before we start, you need 3 things: your Odoo address, the web address you open in the browser to use Odoo, an Odoo user with access to invoices, and a GoRoute account. That's all. There is nothing to install, no code to write, and the whole setup happens exactly once. Here is the whole journey at a glance. First, you post an invoice in Odoo, exactly as you do today. Second, the invoice arrives at GoRoute, where it is converted to the official format and checked against every rule, before it goes anywhere. Third, it is delivered over the Peppol network, through GoRoute's certified access point. And fourth, it lands in your customer's system, confirmed, with a receipt. 4 steps, and after today, all 4 are automatic. Sign in to your GoRoute dashboard, and open integrations in the sidebar. This is the catalog of every billing system GoRoute connects to. Pick Odoo, either from the drop-down or from the tile below it. Each tile shows its live status, so you can always see what is already connected. Selecting Odoo takes you straight to its setup. The wizard asks where your Odoo lives. Type the address you use in your browser, for example, yourcompany.odoo.com, and don't worry about getting it perfect. If you paste a full link with pages and slashes on the end, GoRoute cleans it up and shows you exactly what it understood. Click Next and GoRoute checks that the server is reachable and finds your database automatically. Next, the sign-in. Enter the email of your Odoo user and an API key. An API key is like a password made just for connections. You create one inside Odoo, under My Profile, then Account Security, then New API Key. Copy it once and paste it here. GoRoute stores the key encrypted on the server. It is never kept in your browser, and nobody can read it back, not even you. Curious how your Odoo fields become e-invoice fields? Open Field Mappings. Every mapping is listed: customer, lines, taxes, totals. The defaults follow the e-invoicing rules for your country out of the box, including the specific decimal rules that some currencies need, so for most businesses, there is nothing to change here. It is simply there so you can see it. Every document lands on the transactions page with its full history, validated, sent, delivered, with the timestamps to prove it. This is your audit trail. You can open any invoice, download it as a PDF or as the original XML, and see exactly what your customer received. And that is the whole setup. Tell GoRoute where your Odoo is. Sign in once, with an encrypted key. Choose your company. From then on, posting an invoice in Odoo is all you do. GoRoute checks it, delivers it, and files what the tax authority needs, with a complete audit trail on your dashboard. Connect your Odoo today at GoRoute.ai and keep working exactly the way you already work.